Hi friends, today I'm here with my ninth experiment of my WebTech lab, and today the topic given to me is integrating database with PHP. This experiment is one of the important experiments in this web technology lab, and this is mostly used in banking applications and some shopping applications. So where we have to integrating, like, the database is required, whatever data is being entered we have to store it and then reuse it. So first of all, the process of using MySQL with PHP is, first we have to connect to MySQL, then build a query string, execute the query, then retrieve the results and output it to a web page, and then at the last you have to disconnect from SQL. So this is what the question is given to me. So create a PHP based web application for online banking system with database as per the following services, and five parameters are there: create bank account, login, view balance, deposit money, withdraw money, money transfer from one account to another account. And then I have to create a database called bank and add a table account with columns as per the following table, and then create a PHP project to perform the above mentioned services. This is how the first page should look: index.php. And then this is the second page. So I have already done the coding. So this is what the index page is. So question mark PHP and then the closing. This is how we include a PHP file in the document, and then require account underscore login.php, that we are taking the to this from here. So all this database connectivity thing will be taken from this account underscore login.php, and then the basic HTML structure: head, title, and then inside body I am giving the heading as no bank. So that's what name of my bank is, no bank. Thought of making it something creative. And then inside that I've created a div class. I've given a name to that class. Here login here, that's what I've given inside the h2 block. After that I've given form action equal to method equal to post, and then I have made that form, that is username, password, to log in into this system. After that I have given also the code for forgot password and then the submit button. After that, P1 style cursor, don't have an account, register, all those options. And then I have a login form D2, because if the person doesn't have a account here, this is the option where he can register himself or herself. So here I am asking all the details from the user. Here I have using input type is equal to text. I'm giving some class name and placeholder and then required. In that way I have made the login form. For forgot password also, create new password, username I have made, then email also I have given, mail me new password. So after the form I have made a p id is equal to p4 to log in here, show that thing. After that again PHP, this is for validating the login authenticity. So if is set $post login and $user and pass, we are giving the values which are entered to $user and pass, and then $query is equal to select star from account, where username is equal to $user and password equal to $pass. So if it matches with an existing data in the database, then we can get into, or else we can so die no such account. If it's there, then it will get into. And then here also we have some result greater than 0. Then we have included some script text, insert into account value $post. We are inserting for login. In the same way body, I have used some JavaScript properties, jQuery properties, to make my web page look more attractive. .d2 hide, .d3 hide, and then I've created a, if it clicks, hide and fade in slow, like that. I've created some animation kind of thing. After that I've created a function where the password's value is passed to j. So if it matches I is equal to j, then it executes this statement, or else it will state that password doesn't match. Now account.php, we are taking three variables: $username, $name, and $amount, and using $session variable we are passing that value. Account login, as you know, I am starting this session here. After that, $host is equal to localhost, $user is equal to root, password and database name. After that, for account page, again I have a account login.php, account.php. After that, I have made some div styling properties. Inside that include balance.php, and then we are checking dollar if is set $post update, then include balance.php, and then the amounts are added and then the balance are being shown. Here I created a form. Then p style is equal to some styling I have given. In the same way, for deposit and withdraw, transfer, everything we have again made the code. If is set $post is deposit, same way if is set $post withdraw, transfer, and we are checking the amount where username is equal to this. So that is what it is updated. Here again I have made some deposit money column, enter the amount, withdraw money. So all this I have done. After that, balance.php, we are selecting amount from account, that is the existing amount. If it does not exist, then we are throwing out a message called error. For logout also we have made you have logged out successfully. After that, like we are going to php9.css. php9.css is like we are giving style to the properties. So css I have given some styling. So I have given some styles. So this is how my program looks. So suppose if I don't have a website, like I don't have an account in this no bank, I'll put this register option. So suppose I'm giving Jobin, name also Jobin, date of birth 26/03/2000, phone is 99236074. So after that, entering phone number and job at gmail.com. After that, the balance he is having is 2000, suppose. Now password I'm giving it as I'm creating an account. So to check whether that account is created, we'll come here, then refresh it. So now you can see whatever details I have given in that register form is now being updated here. Jobin 2003, the phone number, the email, and the password is also being displayed here. So after that, to check whether it's logging in, I'm giving Jobin, and the password is Jobin123, right? So Jobin 123, login. Now you can see welcome Jobin, that means it's logged in. So if I want, I can update the balance. So deposit money, suppose I am entering 2500, so it's deposited. Now you can see the new value is being updated. If I want to withdraw 1000 rupees, now you can see 1000 rupees is deducted. If I want to transfer money to this, now you can see the value is reduced, and here you can see the amount of Justin has increased from 1000 to 2000. So after that, if I log out, it comes you have logged out successfully. So this is how this program works. It's really interesting. Once you start doing, you can design all those websites which works with database. And don't forget to like start the Apache and MySQL server, then only you can run this code. So I hope you understood the program. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.